Alright. Yeah, I record the race.
Thank you, baby.
Here. This is my channel right here. Oh, okay, you on there? You got the stick up put on your car? Already. You want one?
On my car?
Yeah.
I get like 20.
Five more at least. It depends. If you stock, you get 5 more horsepower. If you already got some support mods, you can get up to 20. Alright. Damn, boy, he went around his ass. Boy, that was cold blooded, wasn't it? Mustang won, yeah. Ooh wee. I'm glad it wasn't lagging on that race. That's all I was hoping for. Look out, look out. Oh, gonna look out sticker. On YouTube channel. Oh. There's a new sticker. Look out, look out. Shit, he'll rock Weld and G-Force, I know it. Hey, tell him since he rocking G-Force in there, tell him rock that one too, man. Or you gonna put that on your car? Jamie Joe 100. No, yeah. Oh, I ain't know the comments could get this big. That's even better. TikTok a well put together app, I can't lie. Where the baddies at? I'll look for them for you. There's one up here I done seen. Looking good, looking good. Let me see, did I get them? I gave them the card already. I got them. Hey, y'all on my YouTube channel? You on there? Okay, bet. I'll just make it sure. Y'all on there, Look Out Racing? Meet our look. You can check it out right there. What the hell? Oh, he going on murder.
Anthony, invite him to leave if he continues that garbage.
Bro, tell them to let them go, man. Tell them to let them go. They'll listen to you. They'll listen to you. Tell them. They'll listen to you, man. Yeah, you tell them. Oh, there you go. They said let him go. Boy, ah, this motherfucker really. What the hell is... What are you doing? Oh, is he backing up?
Anthony, when you get a chance, dial Ronnie, please. Call Ronnie as soon as you get a chance.
Ah, that motherfucker done put it in
A
reverse.
little bit of a problem here. Anthony's gonna go down there and set up straight or something. He must be having some mechanical issues, or I don't know.
Oh, he got the houses on.
Anthony's on his way down there to give him a hand. He just a minute,
He
guys.
done fuck something up, y'all. Hey, y'all, he done fuck something up. You on my YouTube channel? You on my YouTube channel? Here, let me give you the card.
You see the flashing red lights? Flashing red lights means
Look, you can subscribe right there. You can subscribe right there on the that's a QR code. You can use your phone and just hit that right up. It'll take you straight to it, man. Yeah, I'm just letting you check it out. You catch all the way, tell your uncle now that we was up here. Oh, okay. I can put it on my YouTube channel. He said there's some gas, y'all. I can't put it on my TikTok.
Tell that nigga to go. Oh, I'm sorry.
You said there's some gas, though? Oh, that's the real deal, Holyfield?
Come shop in the G.
Okay, he wants y'all to come shop, y'all. He gonna be up here next week. He wants y'all to shop. Somebody said, are you the plug? Hey, man. They said you the plug, right?